Here, studies across more than 50 machine vision implementations found that up to 77% stall at the pilot stage and never reach full production. That's more than 2/3. And in almost every one of these cases, the root cause wasn't the technology, it was that someone tried to skip too many steps at once. In this video, I'm going to show you the roadmap that changes that. I'm Raghava Kashyapa, founder of Qualitas Technologies, and we've deployed over 200 successful vision solutions globally. That 77% number comes from a peer-reviewed study that examined more than 50 machine vision and computer vision implementations across manufacturing. The researchers found that the technology worked in most of them. The pilot performed well, but the step from pilot to full production consistently failed. And the reason was almost never the model. It was a gap between the controlled pilot conditions and the full complexity of a real production environment. Different operators, different shifts, different lighting, more part variations in the pilot. Samples showed integration with existing line control systems that nobody had fully mapped during the pilot. These are not technology problems, these are planning problems, and they're predictable if you know what to look for. Over the years, I've developed a framework for thinking about this, a 6-level scale that maps where a plant is today and where they're trying to get to. At the bottom, levels 1, 2, and 3, everything essentially is manual. Level 1 is a human eye making all decisions, handling all parts by hand, high fatigue, low consistency over a long shift. Level 2 adds tools like magnifiers, gauges, microscopes, but the decision is still human. Level 3 introduces a camera, but someone is still looking at the image and deciding. The big gain at level 3, though, is a digital record of every inspection. Levels 4 through 6 are where real automation begins. Level 4, what I call semi-automated, brings in a camera that images the part automatically and software that makes a recommendation, but a human is still in the loop to confirm or override. Level 5 is fully automated on the decision side. The software decides, with humans reviewing periodically, but not on every part. Level 6 is the full picture. Automated decisions, automated material handling, minimal human involvement. Most pilots that fail have one thing in common. They try to jump from level 1 or 2 directly to level 5 or 6. And the reason this fails, it's not because of technology. It's that each level builds operational capabilities you need for the next. When you're at level 4, where the software recommends and the human confirms, you're doing something specific. You're building trust. Your operators are learning to read the system's outputs. Your quality team is calibrating what the software's confidence actually means. Your maintenance team is learning what happens when the lighting drifts. These aren't soft skills, they're operational foundations that level 5 requires. Without them, a fully automated system gets overridden, switched off, or quietly ignored within months. On the material handling side, fully automated conveyors, reject mechanism, and robotic pick and place requires very consistent part presentation, tight orientation tolerances, predictable timing, narrow positional variations. If you haven't built that consistency at level 3 or 4, level 6 will expose every inconsistency at line speed. The question isn't, what's my target level? The question is, what's my next level and what does it actually require from me? For most plants, starting at level 1 or 2, the next meaningful move is level 3 or 4. Getting a camera in place, building a digital record, starting to understand what the data looks like. That alone transforms a quality operation. Full automation is still the destination, if that's what you need. But you get there faster by going through the steps than by skipping them. The plants that successfully reach level 5 and 6 are almost always the ones that spent serious time at level 4 first. We built a free tool, the Vision Automation Roadmap Builder, that uses the 6-level framework to map where your plant is today and to give you a clear phased next step. Contact us to get this free tool, and this can give you insights into how you can get from one level to the other. Thank you.